Hello guys, in this lecture we see parallelogram law of vector addition. The parallelogram law of vector addition can be stated as if two vectors are presented in magnitude and direction by the adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then the resultant vector is given in magnitude and direction by the diagonal of parallelogram passing through the common point of two sides with common point as its origin. Parallelogram law of vector addition can be stated as if two vectors are presented in magnitude and direction by the adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then the resultant vector is given in magnitude and direction by the diagonal of parallelogram passing through the common point of two sides with common point as its origin. Now consider two vectors P bar and Q bar inclined at an angle theta acting at O simultaneously, which are presented in magnitude and direction by two sides of parallelogram, that is OA and OB. काय म्हणतोय बघा, consider two vectors P bar and Q bar which are inclined at an angle theta acting at O are presented in magnitude and direction with the help of two sides of parallelogram, that is OA and OB respectively. Then complete the parallelogram O, A, C and B. Then join OC. This is called, OC is called as diagonal of this parallelogram. The diagonal OC passes through the common point of these two vectors P bar and Q bar, that is O. Diagonal OC passing through the common point O, which gives a resultant of two vectors P bar and Q bar, that is R bar. According to definition, the diagonal of parallelogram passing through the common point of two sides gives a resultant of two vectors in magnitude and direction. Now, to calculate the magnitude of resultant of two vectors by using parallelogram law of vector addition, draw CD perpendicular to OA produced at AD. Then, from this figure, angle BOD, that is theta, is equal to angle CAD theta, and also consider this side AC, which is parallel to OB, that is Q bar. AC equal to Q bar. Then from this figure, that is from right angle triangle CAD, from right angle triangle CAD, find out sine of theta and cos of theta. Sine of theta समोरची बाजू भागिले कर, तरी sin theta equal to CD divided by AC. Therefore CD equal to काय आला, AC sin theta. AC's value Q bar. Therefore sin theta equal to AC, that is Q bar divided by CD. Therefore CD equal to AC sin theta, that is Q sin theta. And cos theta's value काय आली, cos theta equal to that is AD divided by AC. Cos theta equal to cos theta लगतची बाजू AD divided by AC. Therefore AD equal to AC cos theta. AC's value Q bar. Therefore AD equal to Q cos theta. AD equal to Q cos theta. Now in right angle triangle COD, in right angle triangle COD, find out OC square equal to. Therefore OC square equal to काय आला, OD square plus CD square. OD कसा आहे, OA plus AD, that is OA plus AD bracket square equal to CD square is nothing but OC square. OC square equal to OD square plus CD square. OD's value OA plus AD bracket square plus CD square. This bracket square A plus B bracket square, that is A square plus twice of AB plus B square च्या अनुसार कसाला OA square plus twice of OA AD twice of OA AD plus AD square plus CD square. This AD square plus CD square is nothing but from this right angle triangle. AD square plus CD square is nothing but this diagonal, that is AC square. Therefore, we get what? AD square plus CD square is nothing but AC square. This value. Put this value here. We get what? OC square equal to OA square plus AC square. That is this AD square plus CD square. AC square plus twice of OA AD. OC is nothing but resultant. OC is nothing but resultant R bar. Therefore, we get what? OC R square plus OA काय आहे? OA P आहे. OA P. Then AC काय आहे? Q आहे. Therefore, we get what? R square equal to P square plus Q square plus twice of OA P twice of P. AD's value काय काढले आपण? AD equal to Q cos theta. Q cos theta. Therefore, R square equal to P square plus Q square plus twice of PQ cos of theta. Therefore, the magnitude of resultant is nothing but R equal to Kyle value, that is root of P square plus Q square plus twice of PQ cos theta, which is supposed equation. First, this is nothing but magnitude of resultant of two vectors. Then, to find out the direction of this resultant, consider phi with the angle made by this resultant to the direction of P bar. Phi with the angle made by resultant to the direction of P bar, and also consider AC equal to Q bar. बघा, phi with the angle which is made by resultant to the direction of P bar, then from right angle triangle COD. Then from right angle triangle COD. Okay, from this right angle triangle, find out tan of phi. Tan phi, so tan phi कोणाच्या अपोजिट बाजू डिवाइडेड बाय लगतची बाजू. tan कसा काढतो? अपोजिट बाजू कोणाच्या भागिले लगतची बाजू. Therefore, tan phi equal to काय येईल? CD divided by OD. परत OD ची व्हॅल्यू OA plus AD. Therefore, we get what? Tan of phi equal to CD divided by OD. That is equal to CD divided by OA plus AD. CD ची व्हॅल्यू वरती काढली आपण. CD equal to काय आहे? Q sin theta. CD equal to Q sin theta divided by OA P आहे plus AD किती काढलाय? Q cos theta. Therefore, phi equal to काय गेले आहे इक्वेशन वरून? tan inverse of Q sin theta divided by P plus Q cos theta. That is suppose equation second. From this equation, if we know the values of P, Q and theta, then we can calculate the value of phi. Okay? Then consider if angle theta be 90 degree. Theta be 90 degree, then value of R is given by R कसा होईल? Theta 90 cos theta 0. Therefore, this term be neglected. Therefore, we get R equal to P square plus Q square. R equal to root of P square plus Q square, and tan phi, that is phi equal to tan inverse of Q sin theta. Theta is 90, sin 90, 1 ala, that is Q, P plus Q cos theta, cos 90, 0 ala, that is C term 0 zali. Therefore, Q by P. Phi equal to tan inverse of Q by P. Phi equal to tan inverse of Q by P. If you consider theta equal to 0 degree, then value of R becomes P plus Q and phi equal to किती येईल? 0 degree येईल. जर अँगल 0 डिग्री असेल तर phi किती येतोय? 0 डिग्री येतोय. आता बघा फिगर म्हणून, जर हा फाय 0 झाला तर ह्या रिझल्टंटची डायरेक्शन कशी असेल, सिमिलर टू पी बार, पी बार सारखीच असेल. हा अँगल 0 झाला म्हणजे त्याची डायरेक्शन आर बारची त्या पी बार सारखीच असेल. तिसरी कंडिशन काय आहे, when theta equal to 180 degree, then r equal to mod of p minus q and phi also 0 degree. Phi also 0 degree. Therefore, here is also the direction of resultant is similar to that of p bar. Okay. Then, parallelogram law of vector addition also can be used for subtraction of two vectors. Therefore, the comparison of addition of two vectors and subtraction of two vectors by using parallelogram law of vector addition can be shown by using this figure. From this figure, if consider p bar and q bar be the two vectors, the direction of q bar is in this direction. Okay, therefore p bar and q bar be the two sides of this parallelogram, and this is nothing but diagonal of this parallelogram passing through the common point of these two sides of two vectors. Therefore, this diagonal represents, completely represents in magnitude and direction of resultant of these two vectors, that is p bar plus q bar. Also, if this is a p bar, then this is minus q bar. q bar minus q bar कसा करतो आपण, q च्या कम्प्लिटली ऑपोजिट असतो. पाठीमागे बघितले आपण पाठीमागच्या लेक्चरला. That is, this is minus q bar. Therefore, this represents, that is subtraction of two vectors p bar minus q bar. Okay, this is about addition and subtraction of two vectors. Also, we see two more laws. That is commutative law of vector addition and associative law of vector addition. हे दोन लॉ फक्त मल्टिपल चॉईस साठी लक्षात ठेवायचं. ब्रॉड क्वेश्चन parallelogram law of vector addition किंवा ट्रायंगल लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन याच्यावरती येऊ शकेल. तर तिसरा कम्युटेटिव्ह लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन काय आहे, as r bar equal to a bar plus b bar, as r bar equal to a bar plus b bar, that is equal to b bar plus a bar, then it is called as commutative law of vector addition, and it is applicable only for two vectors. Okay, then as r bar equal to a bar plus, in bracket b bar plus c bar, that is equal to a bar plus b bar plus c bar, then it is called as associative law of vector addition. Okay, and thank you.